Before we jump into this video, the stance life is real. For real. So I installed these coilovers, these Rev 9 coilovers 2 weeks ago. And the first 2 days of driving on these coilovers, it was okay. Until the third day, when I realized the things I used to drive over is now a problem. Bumps in the road, I used to drive 50 miles over, but now I don't do that. If I see something that not right, I slow down to about 20 to 25 miles per hour and go over it slow. Just like speed bumps, I avoid all speed bumps, because speed bumps is another one I have to avoid, because in the front, I really don't feel nothing when I go over it, but in the rear, I feel everything. I haven't hit a pothole yet. Thank goodness I haven't hit a pothole yet. But besides that, you just gotta get used to driving low, and you're gonna feel more of the road. Besides that, these coilovers are phenomenal. I'm satisfied with the Rev 9 coilovers. They're very affordable coilovers. Before I was thinking about buying these coilovers, I seen some coilovers that was like $600, and I was way out of my price range. And I just looked on the reviews on these Rev 9 coilovers. I was getting a lot of stars, and I said, you know what, I'm going to go buy these coilovers and take a risk. That's what I did. But these coilovers are good coilovers. The Rev 9 coilovers, I advise you to go to Amazon and purchase you some coilovers. You're looking for affordable coilovers. If you're looking for something that's not affordable, then you can go to get something that's higher. But these coilovers for me are affordable. I can't wait till I put the rims on there and really see the difference, the really difference of the stance life. But also I want to camber the back out too, so it's gonna look way better once it's cambered and it's stance. But I want to give you guys a quick review. Besides the speed bumps and the bumps on the road, it's great. It drives smooth. You just gotta get used to being low. Actually, when you got your car, it's gonna feel different. You wanna avoid hitting things. You wanna avoid being by things that your door can hit. Just like, stay cautious now. Now I'm more cautious than I used to be, because now I have these coilovers. I have to say, okay, I can't go as fast on this road because I know how this road is. Oh, I can't go over the speed bump, so let me drive around. I see a lot of people do it. I like, it's just, you know, they're just trying to think they're just different. But no, it's real. When you go low, your whole driving changes. Like, you cannot just speed on places, because you might see something to roll like, oh, I used to go through there like a breeze. Not anymore, because I tried that and I felt it like I hit a pothole, and I didn't. And it was just going through a bumpy road, and I went up and down like I was on a roller coaster. I'm like, nah. So every time I see something like that again, I slow down to 20, 25 miles per hour. Even when you go over railroad tracks, you can feel more. Like, now I gotta just really just creep across railroad tracks. Creep. Like, I'm barely going 5 miles over. Feel it. Like, you will really feel it. You be like this. You'll feel it. But besides that, these coilovers are great. I advise you to go get some. For me, they are a 10 out of 10. Not just being biased, but they're 10 out of 10. Now, I haven't even did the soft and the hard thing on the top of the coilovers. You can turn. I haven't tried that out yet. So once I try that out, it might be a little different. If you want to go and live stance, live low, go buy you some Rev 9 coilovers. You're not going to be disappointed. I thought, once I purchased these coilovers, I was kind of scared, because I didn't know how to install them at first. If people can spend $600 on rims with tires, or just $600 on rims period with no tires, you can get these affordable $467 coilovers. That's how much I spent on these. Now, for different cars, it might be different prices, but I advise you get the Rev 9. So if you're tired of driving high, buy some Rev 9 coilovers, all right? And if you like this review, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, type anything you want in the comment section. I'm always going to see your comments, always. Legit is out.